There is a AI technology which have been kept secret from you, but not anymore. I'm talking about the technology which have changed the NPC in the game from non-playable character to now playing constantly characters. Yes, I'm talking about the agentic AI. You may say, yeah, another new competition for man. And still, he is enthusiastic about this technology. But whatever, let's talk about it. This AI comes with the power of autonomous decision making. Unlike traditional AI, which operate under the predefined rules to automate systems, it can independently analyze data, take decisions, and adapt to new situations without even human interaction. Now, let's look at the ways we can use this new machine slave for us. First, it can be used in customer service. We can just give him data and tell him to interact with our customers and answer their queries in a customizable way and according to our data. And hence its ability to adapt to new situations. It can easily give answers to different queries. In medical, doctors can give it history of its patients and tell it to use that data to give recommendation to that patient. It can be pretty helpful for them. And obviously, games. Now, when you play games, you want your enemies to feel alive. You don't want them to act as robots, even though they are robots. But still, game designers specifically dedicate their time to make these enemies like they are alive. They hardcode their behavior, but not anymore. With the agentic AI, enemies are going to feel alive without even human interaction. If this video was helpful for you, please consider liking the video and subscribing the channel.